Blessings.
Coach, another 3 points here today. What's the difference with this performance today, the 4-0 versus the 2-2 draw in the first game?
Concentration and dedication. Let they understand that football is not just like a game you just come and just feel like, say, all right then, it is what it is and you will get the 3 points because it put down. No, you have to play for it.
So far, based off with the team that you saw in pre-season and performance they're getting now, are you pleased with the progress of the team?
Yes, because we are getting there now. We're getting there. As the season go along, we're getting better and better. And that's what I was expected, and it's coming to pass.
Top of the group, coach, how you feel staying on top of things?
Well, honestly, I can tell you I feel proud of these boys, you know. Not too much to celebrate, but I mean, we're getting the job done, leading the group. That's exactly what you wanted for this team, or for your team as a coach. So I think we're doing the right thing, and I'm very pleased.
Keeping the player.
You talk about not getting away too much, coach. What's the mental space of the team? You're doing well and on top of the table. Mental space, what the expectation of the group at this time?
All right, it is a tricky situation, you know. So now we have to coach, and not just coach on the field. Now we have to coach off the field and inside the classroom. Let they understand that, listen, now is the time you keep your head focused and get it done.
All right, coach. Best up here.